Meet the Soundcore C50i open-ear earbuds designed for comfortable listening while keeping you aware of your surroundings. They deliver lightweight comfort, clear sound, and a secure fit for everyday use. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Soundcore C50i open earbuds, charging case, charging cable, and user manual. Product overview. Ear clip charging contact, ear clip buttons, sound outlet, LED indicator, USB-C charging port. How to wear. Take the earbuds out of the case and identify the left and right sides. Gently position each earbud against your outer ear, making sure the speaker faces forward, and adjust up or down for a comfortable fit. When worn correctly, the speaker sits in your ear while the battery rests behind it, with the button on the battery facing upward. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. How to pair. Take the earbuds out and remove the protective film inside the charging case. Place the earbuds back into the case, then take them out again and wear them. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, find Soundcore C50i in the device list, and tap to connect. Smart features? The open-ear clip-on design sits outside your ear canal, reducing pressure and allowing you to stay aware of your surroundings while listening to music or taking calls. A memory titanium FlexiClip frame adapts to different ear shapes and provides a stable, comfortable grip great for workouts and daily activities. Built-in microphones with AI noise reduction focus on your voice and reduce background noise, ensuring clearer calls even in busy environments. Enjoy up to 7 hours of playback on a single charge and 28 hours with the charging case, plus quick charging that provides about 2 hours of use from a 10-minute charge. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Soundcore C50i open earbuds from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Soundcore C50i open earbuds. See you at the next one.